Hey viewers, you are watching this update and I am Shudha. Pakistan has increased the price of high-octane fuel by 200 Pakistani rupees per litre. The price has been raised from 100 Pakistani rupees to 300 Pakistani rupees per litre, according to sources. The decision was approved by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif during a high-level meeting held on Sunday. The meeting focused on fuel pricing and steps related to economic relief. Officials said the hike applies only to high-octane fuel. This type of fuel is mainly used in luxury vehicles. The government clarified that the increase will not directly affect public transport fares or air travel cost. Several senior ministers attended the meeting. This included Law Minister Azam Nazir Tadar, Finance Minister Muhammad Aurangzeb, and Information Minister Ataullah Tadar, and Petroleum Minister Ali Parvez Malik. Other top officials were also present. This is not the first fuel price hike in recent weeks. On March 6th, the government had increased petrol and diesel prices by 55 Pakistani rupees per litre. This decision was taken due to rising global oil prices and ongoing geopolitical tensions. After the earlier hike, petrol prices increased from 266.17 Pakistani rupees to 321.17 Pakistani rupees per litre. Diesel prices rose from 280.86 Pakistani rupees to 335.86 Pakistani rupees per litre. The announcement was made during a press conference by Petroleum Minister Ali Parvez Malik, along with Deputy Prime Minister, and rising fuel prices have also affected the aviation sector. On March 10, airlines in Pakistan increased ticket fares due to higher jet fuel cost. Airline sources say domestic fares have gone up by 2,800 Pakistani rupees to 5,000 Pakistani rupees. The increase applies to major routes such as Karachi to Lahore and Islamabad. International travel has become even more expensive. Ticket prices for overseas flights have risen by 10,000 Pakistani rupees to 28,000 Pakistani rupees. Flights to Middle Eastern and Central Asian countries have seen fare hikes of up to 15,000. Passengers are feeling the impact of these increases. Experts say the rise in fuel prices is linked to global oil market trends. Tensions in the Middle East have pushed crude oil prices higher. Countries that depend on oil imports are facing increased costs. Pakistan is already dealing with economic challenges. This include inflation and pressure on foreign reserves. The latest fuel price hike may add to the burden on the economy. Officials say the government is trying to manage the situation. They aim to balance rising costs while protecting essential sectors. However, the situation remains uncertain as global oil prices continue to fluctuate. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.